In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make work private in Canva. If you're working on something confidential, like a business proposal, client materials, or an upcoming announcement, it's important to make sure your Canva project isn't visible to the wrong people. The good news is that Canva makes this pretty simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open your design, check the sharing settings, and lock things down so only you can access the file. Start by opening Canva and going to the project you want to protect. From your home page, look through your recent designs or locate the file you want to make private. Open that design so you're inside the main editing workspace. It's best to make these changes directly from the file itself so you can review the exact sharing settings tied to that project. Once the design is open, move your attention to the top right area of the screen. You'll see the share button there. Click on it to open the sharing panel. This is where Canva keeps the main access and permission controls for your design. In the sharing window, look for the section labeled Collaboration Link. This setting controls who can open the project through the link. If it currently says something like anyone with the link or your team, click the drop-down menu to view the available options. From that list, choose only you can access. This is the key setting if you want the design to be fully private. Selecting it will remove general link access and restrict the project to your account only. If your goal is complete privacy, this is the most important change you need to make. After that, take a moment to review the rest of the sharing panel. Look underneath the collaboration settings to see whether any team members, groups, or shared users still have access to the file. If you see anyone listed, click the permission option next to their access and change it to no access, or remove them if Canva gives you that option. This step matters because even if the link is private, direct user permissions can still allow other people to open the design. Finally, once you've confirmed the file is restricted, close the sharing panel and check that your changes have been saved. Canva usually saves automatically, but it's still a good idea to pause and make sure everything is updated properly. And that's it. Your Canva work should now be private and visible only to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next